Hi, this is John with WTI, and I have a situation. I like to cook really fast, or I like simple options because I'm always rushing through classes or any of my activities during the day. And I don't have much time to be making long breakfasts or long meals or long actual breaks for eating. So, this is where this Quaker instant oatmeal comes in here. So, this bowl, a little bit of milk or a little bit of water or whatever you want to do, high amount of flavor. This one is the vanilla flavor, and it's just one of my favorites. Just so easy to build this off. A little bit of milk, maybe a little bit of cinnamon I will put in the top, and you have a great meal or just a in the moment meal that you need for eating and just keep going with your work. Put it in the what if you like this cold, I just put it straight away, or you can just put it in the microwave. 1 minute, it's done. You got oatmeal ready, and it's gonna fill yourself with a good time. So if you're looking for a great option for quick, easy meals, this Quaker oatmeal, instant oatmeal, is a great option. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.